fishing. Today we're making a little cocktail called the Glen, and this is with the Walking Dead Spirits of the Apocalypse Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. What you're gonna need for this little cocktail? Just a couple simple ingredients. Walking Dead Spirits of the Apocalypse Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, and some frozen maraschino cherries. I want to thank you for coming and checking out my channel, watching the video. Go ahead, hit subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button, hit the little bell notification so that when I go live on my live streams every Friday night, you will get notified. Otherwise, you won't get notified, and that would be dumb. Now, I don't know what kind of lying assholes you've been dealing with, but first impressions are important, and I need you to know. So, back to it. Put the cherries in a Glencairn, and little whiskey topper off. That's the Walking Dead Glen cocktail. It's delicious.